You might be a little bit confused on this because you might be thinking, oh, he's doing an unboxing. I am doing an unboxing, but this is more about the software. I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check the software out. The software is called eWeLink. I think that's how you say it. Well, that's how it's pronounced, or spelled, I should say. eWeLink keyboard. And the idea behind it is you can use your keyboard to do shortcuts. So this will work on Windows and Mac, apparently. Can't try it out on a Mac because I don't own one. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, see what's in this box that they sent me. And then we're going to have a go with setting up the software because I've never done anything like this before. Yeah, eWeLink. The idea, like I said, behind it, it will work on things like Alexa. It will work on Google Assist and any of them devices. But as far as I understand, you have to set up the software, which is eWeLink, and you can use it on your computer with the shortcuts. Yeah, quite clever, I thought. Right, so I'm going to set that up, read the instructions, set that up so I know which way around it all goes, and then we're going to have a go at setting up the software. It's all set up and it's ready to go, and I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on how to do it and how it works. I'm not going to do a full tutorial because it might take too long. So what I will do is I will stick a link into a website where you can actually go to and read up on how to do it. And though they're using different hardware, the principle is the same depending on whatever hardware you're using. As long as it has Wi-Fi connectivity, it should just work. So like I said, it's all set up, ready to go. So the first things you need to do is download the app. You will need to download it to your mobile phone, and you will need to download it to your PC. Now then, you will also need to register. And whatever register you do on your phone has to be the same one onto your computer. Make sense? Also, I did read that should you change your route or anything like that, and you change your Wi-Fi settings or you go over to a different password, it should keep all the same settings for all your devices that you've got connected to it. So like I said, I've already set up and that is working fine. Turn it on, turn it off. Oops. On, off, change the colour, whatever you want to do, it just works. Now, I've set it to be set to go on and off. Let me just go back one and I'll quickly show you. So, where is it? Scenes? Go to scenes and you need to set the scenes up, okay? You must do this. So I'll set lighting one off, lighting one on. Doesn't matter which way around you do it, as long as you do it. And then you can ask people like, Alexa, lighting one off. See, even Alexa knows. Yeah, Alexa, lighting one on. Very easy to do. Or you can just use a remote if you wanted to, for this device anyway. So once you've done your scenes on your phone, then you can add the scenes to your computer. Again, very easy to do. I've already done it, but I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how it works. Give me a second while I just set this bit up. Right, now then, as you can see, it's all set up. So I have set up two scenes. I have set lighting one on and lighting one off. Again, very easy to do, but make sure it's on your phone first, yeah? Otherwise it won't work. And I have set Control Alt K and Control Alt L. Get my keyboard. So if I press Control Alt K, doesn't do nothing, and that's because it's already on. But if I do L, it goes off. So K on, L off, Control Alt. Yeah, it is extremely easy and very responsive. So you don't have to go to a third party, you know, or get your phone out every time you want to change it. To change it, you can actually do it straight from the, you know, your keyboard. Or if you have something like a Stream Deck, like I've got, you can program it in there to do the same thing. Yeah, very easy to do, and it works. But if you've never done it before, it can be a bit daunting to figure out how to do it. Now, when I first tried to do it, I tried to do it on my computer first. No, you must set it up on your phone first. Set it up, make sure it's connected to your phone, make sure you set up your scenes, yeah, on your phone, and then you can set up your scenes on here. And all you do is you tick that, we find the devices that you've already configured. Mine is, you know, just the lighting, and I'll set it for home, as you can see, my home, and cancel if you don't want to do it, and job done. And also make sure you turn it on and off, which is there. Yeah. Works extremely well. If you don't turn this on, it can't work, because it's saying, oh, you're not connecting. So let's just quickly go through it again. Oh, it's already off. Yeah. Really easy. And you can set this up also if you wanted to change colours or anything like that. You can just do it, set it up so it's on a shortcut. Or like I say, if you've got something like Stream Deck, because you've installed this eWeLink, because you've installed that and it's sitting running all the time, it should just work. Absolutely brilliant. I love the idea, I love the technology behind it. It definitely works for me, definitely gets thumbs up for the way it works. And also I do believe you can do it through a website, but don't quote me on that one. So I'm not 100% sure. I did see something about that, but I downloaded the software and I'm very happy with it. Like I say, definitely gets my thumbs up. Works extremely well. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know in the comments whether you're thinking about buying one or you've already got one. Let me know. And from what I understand, there is also over 10 million people already using this little tiny app. Like I say, works on your computer, but you must set it up on your phone first. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for working. Thank you very much for watching. Don't know where that come from.